Attorney Maria Rowena Amelia V. Guanzon, ang first nominee ng P3PWD party list. Ang ibig sabihin ng P3PWD ay pamilya, pasyente, at PWD. We are a party list that is advocating and will work for the rights and welfare of persons with disability and their families. Specifically, we want to push for 5% share of persons with disability in the total budget of all local government units and national agencies, including government-owned and controlled corporations, similar to the Gender and Development Fund, which should be subject to audit by COA